Greetings, interweebs, and welcome back to the studio. I don't know if I'm loud enough, but, hey, here I am. I apologize for not streaming on Wednesday. We had a friend over, and he's actually in the stream community with the studio. I have not gotten any new updates for the bulletin board, so yeah. Apologize there, but our bulletin board is as up to date as it's gonna be for the moment. What do I have to say? Reminder. The text down below can be translated, and if you can translate it, you get prizes. So, that is one prize for YouTube and one for Twitch. If it is translated by both, I will turn off the scrolling text and we will change the text for the next month or something. I don't know. But I'm only doing one per month, I think. Let's see here. What else? Other updates. No, other reminder. Yes, the stream format has changed. We have covers. We have manga covers on the waiting start screen, and we have the manga release to the left of that. Once the manga is complete, or once the chapter is complete, the chapter you see and can read on screen will no longer be available, and we'll start dropping pages for the next chapter forward. You'll be able to read that manga from there on the StumpyPup website, so keep an eye out for that release. Each chapter will come with its own cover art and its own set of pages, so keep an eye out for those. Thankmas is coming around soon enough. If you're watching this on YouTube, actually, if you're watching this on YouTube, let me check real fast and see if it's over by this point. Because I've already got my previous set of videos scheduled all the way up to part 10, so 10 videos. Let's see what day that is scheduled. November 14th. Ooh, that is right on top of Thankmas. Alright, so I guess by the time you're seeing this video, Thankmas will be pending or passed. So yeah, I guess hope you had a good Thankmas. And I hope you enjoyed what we did for Thankmas. Alright, let me run back to, oh, that's me. Let me run back to here. I don't think that I have any other updates, so I'm gonna hop on over to the actual content into Clip Studio Paint, and we're going to enjoy a productive stream. How does that sound, guys? If you have any other questions, or if you forget the commands for Fantasy Fight Live, you could just hop on over to that. You can ask me for those commands, or you can hop on over to, I believe it should actually tell you the commands. There's also a button, there's also a help command you can do. You'll have to ask me what that is too. Apologize. I should make it easier for you to find out though, so I'll work on doing that. Anyway, we're gonna hop on over to the content and actually draw something, yeah? Alrighty then, guys. So, We're attempting, last we left off, we stopped here at the hair, so let's try to get some of that done. Remember, we're just doing outlines right now. Dude, that'll work. Let's bring that up a little bit, and then... Nope.
Behind.
There we go. Not too bad. Maybe make those longer, actually. There we go. Next. That'll do. guess that'll have to work.
Helping out the room.
I usually cover the top of that with the hair, but that'll have to work for now. Got 8 minutes on this video. Maybe I'll stick that side that way and then...
On me, Lucy.
And then this guy actually is gonna have an eye the way an eye is supposed to be drawn.
Freeze, motherfucker.
I heard an ice redeem. Is that my wife again? It was my wife again. You fiend, waiting for the ice to melt, and now I have to drink water while I grab ice. So cold. So very cold. It's so cold. Ah, there we go. Okay, ice cube is in mouth. Okay, now. Actually, you know what? I am going to make the eye a little extra thick dark. Because you know what? It will serve a purpose. You see, the extra thickness, I'm going to use it to paint in the eye color in a slightly darker outline without obstructing the black too much. There we go. There we go. And now this one I'll actually give it a bottom side too. Not much. Just a little bit. There we go. That'll work. Yeah, that'll definitely do. Alright, let's see here. There we go. Ah, are we out of YouTube time? Okie dokie, YouTubers. Well, I guess that's the end of this one. Let's, um, you'll get to see me finish up that coat. Yeah, you'll get to see me finish up that coat probably next video. And then we'll see what we do next. In the meantime, remember to please like, share, and subscribe. It does us a huge service here at StumpyPup, and if you want to even go further, you can hop down below, join the community on the Discord, interact, share your work, follow other streamers. It is a wonderful Discord full of great people, and most of them are gamers, but some of them are also creators. So there's all that. And even further, if you are on YouTube, hop on down there to our Twitch and give us a follow. We could definitely use it. And Twitch goers actually get different content as they get the entire stream, and you guys get these videos as they release. A little bit of a fun fact. Because of the way I do my YouTube videos and the way I do my stream, Twitch viewers actually get the content early. So if you're interested, definitely pop on over to the Twitch and you'll get everything early. Downside is, if you missed the stream, then you're probably going to get the content on YouTube later. Whew, that was a mouthful. Anyway, just a quick reminder, if you can translate the text below, you will get a prize that is valid for both Twitch and YouTube, one per platform. And see here, I think that's all I got for the moment. So I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching.